you're still using smoke signals, carrier pigeons, or Yahoo Mail, buddy, it's 2025. Time to level up. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech with Benham, and today I'll show you how to create a Gmail account without Google signing your username like cool dude 8293746. Let's do this. Open your browser. It could be Chrome, Edge, Safari, or that one guy still using Firefox. Now type accounts.google.com/signup, or because we Google everything, just search create Gmail account. Enter your first name and last name on this page, then click next. Enter your birthday and gender. Now choose your Gmail address from the provided options, or you could create your own Gmail address. If you prefer the third choice, here's the trick. Try a mix of initials, numbers, or even your pet's name, but not XX Sniper Wolf XX, unless you're still in 2010. Now, the password. Listen to me. This is not the time for password 123 or QWERTY. Google will judge you, I will judge you, the whole internet will judge you. Go for a mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers and symbols. Better yet, why not use a passphrase like banana rocket, moon 99. Easy to remember, impossible to guess. Google will now send a verification code to your phone. Enter that code and be human. If you don't get the text, check your signal, or just accept your new robot identity. Look, we all forget passwords. It's a fact of life. That's why you must add a recovery email. Skip this and future you will be crying. Now you could read through the terms of service first if you like, but for purposes of this video, I'll simply scroll down and click I agree. Now here we are, but before you start sending emails, ignoring them, or drowning in spam, let's personalize your inbox. Change your theme, tweak your settings, and enable two-step verification so hackers can't walk in like they own the place. And just like that, you now have a fresh, new Gmail account. Time to send some emails and immediately ignore half of them. If this helps, smash that like button like it's an annoying pop-up ad. Got Gmail struggles? Simply drop them in the comments, because we actually read them. And if you want more tech tips that make life so easy, hit the subscribe button. See you in the next one. Peace.